This is iPad 8 Gen. Model number is A2428. It came from a repair shop, came apart. So the board, it has no power. The technician tried to replace the charger port, but still won't turn on. And he told me that after he checked the battery, he found out the battery has a good charge, and he removed the charger port that he put, and he sent us the board. So I installed the charger port, but still not charging. Yeah, it's taking 0 amp. It's not charging at all. So let's check the charger port if it's connected right. So we go to the diode mode. So the red one, it's go to the ground. Then we check with the black one. So 0.4, number 1, number 2, 0.7, 3, 0.7, 4. Usually the open line or overload in this bed. Bed number 5.4, it's good. Bed number 5.7, that's right. 6.7. If we flip between the bed number 8 and bed number 4, that we have open line. So let's put this one here, and we put this one on the ground. We are going to have 2.5. So the reading sounds right. And let's check the battery voltage. Yeah, the battery voltage is a 4.2, so it has a good volt. At the same time, I check where is the positive. The positive pad is right here. So I'm gonna go and like inject some voltage and see. Could be a short. So use the metal plate as a ground. Don't use the battery ground. So in case if you flip them, you are sure you are connected to the ground. So let's go to the 4 volt, and we connect this one to the positive side. It is a short. And there is a clear short over there. At the same time, it's feel a little bit was getting warm. This, yeah, I can feel this spot here is getting warm. Yeah, definitely this area. So let's go to the microscope and we check. So was feeling hot somewhere this area here. Okay, I'm gonna connect the power supply again, and we put some alcohol in that area and see what is getting hot. Alright, yeah, I see the alcohol is moving on this chip here. Alright, let's go check what that chip is. 2019 or 2020. No, it's not the same, so it should be like 2020. Yeah, kind of similar to this one. So we have some capacitors, coil, and we have this chip here. This is what is getting hot. So are we gonna go and replace this one? I don't think so, because this is a MOSFET. So that's a VCC. Okay. So this MOSFET is between the battery line and the VCC line, and they think is the short in the VCC line. So you can see all these capacitors is connected to the VCC. So let's check them first. So these three caps here to the diode mode. That's a short, 0.00. How many ohm over there? So less than 1 ohm in the VCC line. So we are going to inject some voltage in the VCC line and see what's causing the problem. Quick, we can find the short. These caps is VCC as well. This coil, this one's here, and this one here. I don't see anything getting hot right here. So let's use the thermal camera and I'm gonna inject the voltage in this capacitor right here by this coil and see if there is any spot over there. So there is another spot right here. Right here. Yeah, in this area. Alright, the thermal camera is showing this area right here in the corner. So I'm gonna inject the voltage to the VCC caps. I don't see this capacitor here moving because this is a VCC cap as well. So yeah, we have this capacitor is a VCC, these two coils, and we have more capacitors here. But under the shield we don't have nothing, so sure we have something out. We don't have to check that shield. Okay, I'm going to inject the voltage in the capacitors again. Alright, this capacitor right here it's moving. I'm injecting in this ones here. It's better you inject far from the where is the short, because when you inject here, this area is gonna get hot as well, and you're gonna get confused which one is moving the alcohol. All right, now we can inject right here. You see I am injecting close to this capacitor, and this one is moving too. You see the alcohol around it is moving because it's getting hot. But what I want to see is this one. That's what I think is the short. Yep. So let's test this one. Sure, it's gonna be shorted. Is a 0.07, not even 1 ohm. I think the capacitor has a little crack. I can see a little crack over there. Yep, it's about like it's gone. It's tested shorted. So right here 0.7, the other side 20 kilo ohm. So we are good. It works. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you again.